The owner fed him well and gave him a home. Good boy, you're the best. Let's go for a walk, buddy. What a beautiful day. But the dog was aggressive and caused trouble every day.
Hey, stop that! Get back!
Shoot!
Look at us! We're hurt because of you!
You have to take responsibility.
I understand you're upset. We'll make this right.
I'm sorry, buddy, but you have to go outside now. Go on, boy. Hey, bad dog! Stop right there! Get back here! You're in big trouble!
Get out, you pest! Show!
Go away!
Show!
Beat him! Scare him off!
That's it, run!
I can't believe it's you. I've missed you so much. I'm so sorry, buddy. I should have seen this coming.
You're such a good boy.
We're right here with you.
Look at you, so happy now.
Good boy.
He's so happy.
We all are.
Forever.
That's right.